Fourth problem, how many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. should be taken to get the sum 14,400? First you write the given one is rewritten as this form, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to 14,400. We know the formula, sum of the cube of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to 14,400. So suppose n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to square root of 14,400. So now n into n plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 120. That is 144 is there, 12 12s are 144, that is 12, 2 zeros are there, that is 100. So root 100 is 10. So that is 12 into 10, 120. Otherwise you have to consider it is 12. For these 2 0, 1 0 comes outside. So that is 120. So now n into n plus 1 is equal to this to take here multiple with 120. So that is 240. For this 240 separate as 15 into 16. 15 into 16, it is written as 15 into 16. So now for n into n plus 1 equal to 15 into 16. You have to compare the left hand side and right hand side. For it is n 15. N is 15, n plus 1, 15 plus 1, 16. So n equal to 15. Listen once again, listen. For up to this you know well. For n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 120. This division 2 moves to right hand side. It's become a multiplication. 120 into 2, 240. This 240 you have to separate as 15 into 16. 15 into 16 is 240. So now in the left hand side n into n plus 1. Now you have to compare the first term is 15. N plus 1 is 16. So n is equal to 15. Compare the LHS and RHS, we get n equal to 15. So for in the question they asked how many terms of the series. So the number of terms in the series is equal to 15. Fifth question, the sum of the cubes of first n natural number is 2025. So that is cubes 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to 2025. Using this we want to find the value of n. It is same as the previous problem, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to 2025. For it is the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 2025. N into n plus 1 by 2 equal to for square root of 2025. 2025 square root you have to use this long division method, that is 45. So n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 45. That implies this implies n into n plus 1 is equal to this 2 moves to right hand side. It's become multiple by 2. So it is 90. So n into n plus 1 equal to, for this 90 is written as 9 into 10. So now you have to compare left hand side and right hand side, that is n is 9, n plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So n equal to 9. Sixth question, Rekha has 15 square color papers of size 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, etc. 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? For using that color papers, how much area can be decorated with these color papers? The given details we have to make it as a series. That is a 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus etc. up to 24 square. Then we have to use the sum of the square of natural numbers formula. First you have to write the area of the color papers, that is 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus up to 24 square. For it is we know the formula from 1 square to n square, but it is starting from 10. So you have to find from 1 square to 24. Then you have to subtract 1 to 9 square. For we have to find only 10 square to 24 square. So 1 square to 9 square we have to remove. So that is the given this is rewritten as 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. 24 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. to 9 square. We know the formula 1 square plus 2 square etc. to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So for this first series n equal to 24. 24 into 24 plus 1 25. Then 2 into 24 48. 48 plus 1 49 by 6. Suppose you get any confusion, you write one more step, then you have to write this step. Minus, for here n is equal to 9. 9 into 9 plus 1 10. 2 into 9 18. 18 plus 1 19 by 6. Now Cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel. I am used here 6th table. 1 6 is 6, 4 6 are 24. Here 3 table. 2 times it is for 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then again it is for here 1 time 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So you have to make multiple 15 into 19. So it is 4900. You have to make multiple 4 into 25 into 49, that is 4900. 3 into 15 into 19, that is 285. You have to subtract these two, you get the answer 4615 centimeters square. They are asked area, so we have to use the unit. 7th question, find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 15 cube plus etc. to n terms and 8 terms. We want to find for n terms and 8 terms. First you write the given series. That is, given series is 2 cube minus 1 plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube plus etc. to n terms and 8 terms we want to find. N terms, first we want to find for n terms. The general terms we want to find. So that is, for here, for it is a odd number, it is a combination of odd cubic odd number and cubic even number. For it is 2 cube, the first term you have to consider 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, etc. The second term for here 1 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 cube minus 5 cube, etc. So that is, for the number of terms for even is general form up to the end, it is 2n. For odd, 2n minus 1. Generally we have to store in our mind. Even we have to consider 2n, odd we have to consider 2n minus 1. So it is 2n cube, 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube. It is written as, for it is odd even number 2, 4, 6. Next term is 8 cube. So it is written as even what I said 2n. So 2n whole cube. For even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, it is the nth term is 2n. So now for a odd 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, minus you have to take outside, it is 2n minus 1 whole cube. So now for it is written as sigma, for it is summa, sigma n equal to 1 to n. Sigma, it is a summation of 1 to n. For it is the full term, instead of using this each term we are using plus. Instead of that we have to use summation. Sum of n terms, n equal to 1 to n. Sum of n terms. So what is this name? Summation or sigma. For it is this summation 1 equal to n equal to 1 to n. For it is written as 8n cube minus, it is a cube minus a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula we have to use. A minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So it is a, it is b. So 2n whole cube minus 3 into 2n whole square into 1 plus 3 into 2n into 1 square minus 1 cube. That is sigma n equal to 1 to n. We have to first term 8n cube minus, for 2n whole cube is written as 8n cube and 3 into 4n square. 2n whole square means 4n square, that is 4 3s are 12. Then 3 into 2n. 3 into 2n is 6n minus 1. Now you have to remove the bracket. For that is sigma x is equal to n equal to 1 to n. Must you have to write it as n equal to 1 to n terms. So that is 8n cube. This minus take inside, minus 8n cube. It is minus into minus plus. It is minus. It is minus. Now for plus 8n cube minus 8n cube cancel. So after cancelling we have for here n equal to 1 to n. So that is 12n square minus 6n plus 1. So for here you have to take the summation inside, that is sigma. For each one you have to write n equal to 1 to n. N equal to 1 to n. So that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. 12 into n square minus 6 into this sigma take inside, that is n equal to 1 to n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. to n. Plus for sigma for this constant term, that is sigma n equal to 1 to n, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, that is 1 to n, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. up to n. So that is, this meaning is 1 plus etc. up to n times. So it is n times is there, so sigma 1 is equal to n. So now for the sigma n square value, for it is, listen, sigma n square means it is a 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. plus n square. Sigma n cube means, this meaning is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. plus n cube. Sigma n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. Okay, this make remember, for this is the expanded form, it is the using the symbol. Now it is after cancelling, for you have to, for after this you have to write the formula for sigma n square. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then minus 6 into, for it is sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. For it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, n times is there, so plus n. So 166 is 2 times. So n into, for first you make cancel. Then after that here for the second term also 1 time 3 time plus n is there. So for this is for first term, this is for second term. Now this n is common, you have to take outside commonly for these two terms, the first term and second term, n commonly take outside. So that means 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 minus, for here n is taken outside, 3 into n plus 1 plus 1. Now you have to simplify n into 2 into, for you have to make multiple, it is 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1. For here you have to make multiple, these two you have to make multiple. Then 3n minus 1, for this minus 3 take inside, that is minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 3 into plus 1 minus 3 plus 1. So now for n into, for this 2 take inside, that is 4n square. For it is, for orderly you have to make it as 2n. For here n into 4n square plus 2n, 2 take inside, plus 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 plus 1. So that is 4n square. You have to add these two, it is 6n plus 2. Here minus 3n is there, minus 2. So now plus 2 minus 2 make cancel. Students, once again listen, this 2 take inside, that is 4n square plus 2n plus 4n plus 2. For here minus 3n minus 3 plus 1 is there. So now 4n square, you have to add these two, 6n plus 2 minus 3n, you have to simplify these two, minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. After cancelling we have 4n square plus 6n minus 3n, that is plus 3n. So Sn is equal to, for this n take inside, so that is equal to 4n cube plus, it is 3 into n square. For here 3n is there, 3 into n square. Now the general term Sn is equal to 4n cube plus 3n square. The second question we want to find for 8 terms. So 8 terms, so n equal to 8. 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 square. For 8 square, for it is 8 into 8 into 8. For it is 8 into 8. So 8 square commonly take outside. So 4 into 8 plus 3. So 8 square is 64. 4 8s are 32 plus 3. So 64 into 35. 64 into 35 value, it is 2240. So you have doubt, you have to make multiple.